some of you have not utilized that great. So that is okay, but that is how things goes. I would like to see that in the future, our students shine in RBL, and that is going to give them a face which is totally different from any UG or PG guy from any other college. So this is our first focus that we want. And also we should encourage our students to go for higher education either through GATE, we will try to enable them, or try to study abroad. That is also very important, because that is the way that things need to be understood as far as civil engineering, whichever subject you like, whether it is environmental, structural, geotechnical, whichever you think, that the higher education is a very important thing, because if you want to survive for a long time in the profession as a core engineer, certainly you need this kind of thing. So we would like to encourage you to go to one of these possibilities. I would like to also improve the industry connect that we have right now, though we have right now. So the core industries, how we can attract them. And also we have a lot of multinational companies in India who are really doing very good job. Of course, they follow foreign codes like Euro codes or ACA code or whatever. So the way that these people see the part of civil engineering is totally different from how we learn or how we practice. So that connectivity we have to bring to youngsters. So that is also, it should be one of our focus. Of course, I usually feel that you are all going to be our ambassadors. So that is the truth. So you're going to carry the name of VIT Chennai anywhere, and the inspiration that you make among your friends or whatever. So that is going to help us to take to the next level. So I request every one of you to be our ambassador, to help me in improving this visibility to a higher level. I want all the very best to every one of you in your career, or in your higher education, or in your personal life as well. I would like you to be our ambassador for rest of your life. Now, that is one thing. And I also request you to give some kind of feedback to us in the form of either talking in this forum itself at the end of the meeting, or if you feel that it is okay, I can give only in words. There is a chat box available on the side. You can start typing there, so that we would like to get some kind of feedback from you with an idea that how we scale up our identity, how we produce the better part of the engineers from now on, if it is possible. So with that aim, I am just requesting you to be both as an ambassador as well as well-wisher, as well as giving feedback to us, so that we improve at all point of time. So I wish all the very best to every one of you, and thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to request the faculty members to share their experiences with our outgoing students. Sabuman, sir, if you could begin with. Sir, you're muted.
Yeah. Good evening, students. So those who are passing out from VIT with Master of Structural Engineering and Bachelor's in Civil Engineering. And I am happy to see that some of you are already here, but I think still the attendance is not up to the mark. Probably many people have their own priorities or maybe engaged, because this was a short notice. I feel like today only we got a notice, right? Or was it informed earlier? I don't know. Probably because of short notice, everybody is not here. But still, I am very happy that numbers are quite 80 plus, including both the masters and bachelors. But 2 points I wanted to tell you that you might have learned a lot of stuff in VIT. I'm not stressing here on academic part of the academic. Anyway, you have done your level best and you got your grades. But what is more important is that the kind of environment in which you have been molded in VIT, you'll realize the strength once you go out of VIT. When you are in VIT, you never realize what kind of those interactions and environment has given you to have a confidence while going out and pursue your career goal, whether it is in progression in education or it is in any kind of occupation you are going to take. But whatever it is, you are going to take it. VAT has given you a lot of examples in terms of the infrastructure, in terms of the way you have been disciplined. There is a kind of milestone on which we all work and achieved things. Of course, the academics in VAT is a challenging. I would say it's very challenging. Those who are really participating academics in VAT is compared to other institutions in India, it is very challenging. But some of you might have already crossed that bar and probably achieved those kind of high level of enlightenment. But those are in theoretical side and other side. But what is required when you go out and practice, please hold on your higher order of ethics. Of course, the theory you learn the ethics and values, that is one aspect. But the code of practice, especially civil engineers, you have those who are working in any kind of infrastructure, please tune to your code of practice and never violate any code. That is very essential for you to have a professional integrity in your, never compromise, because there will be a very compelling situation for you to compromise on your code of practice. Never do that. Always stick on to the code of practice. That is one point you should always embrace with your heart and move ahead in your career, so that professionally you will never fail. That is one aspect. Always keep whatever you do with utmost sincerity, hard work, and keep discipline. That is very important for you to succeed. And also, I am sure that we have trained you to work as a global citizen, not in a pocket, because VAT has given very cosmopolitan nature for you to really interact with confidence with any kind of situation. So, over a period of time, I feel that maybe 5 years, 10 years time, all of you are going to spread in different parts of the world. Okay, you are going to disperse. So wherever you go, please keep this in mind, the code of practice and hard work and discipline, so that you will be aspiring to achieve your goal. And also dream big. That is another aspect. Now you need to really set your goals in 5 years time, 10 years time, what you want to achieve in your goal. So always try to contribute to the profession by any means. I don't say that whatever you are going to do, you are every day you are going to contribute. And when you contribute, naturally your market value will go up. That is the way you contribute for the growth of the country. For example, first or second year now itself, some of you may be paying tax, but those who have not got a handsome package, don't worry, you go and work 1 or 2 years, you will start paying income tax. The moment you start paying income tax in any country, you are become a very responsible citizen. You are really contributing to society, not only your profession, for the upliftment of other citizens of the country in which you are serving. So try to get into that kind of pay structure where you start contributing income tax to the particular country where you go. So that is other aspect you should aspire. So aspire to achieve many things in life, whatever is closer to your heart. I won't say civil engineering. It's somebody can diverse also, but still that is fine. You don't worry about it. You have to practice as a civil engineer. Have a degree now, that is good enough to really survive in this way. That second and foremost important point is that one of the prominent figure we never forget in our life is our mother, isn't it? Wherever you go, mother is somebody we never forget. The same way, you are going to be an engineer from some institution. So this VAT is the one which has transformed you, because you all came to VAT in your late teenage, and now you are no more teens age, you are all responsible adults. So this was a very great transformation happened in your 4 years. Most of you have been kids when you started in VAT at the age of 17, but I could see all of you are matured adults now. That is a great sign to see. And wherever you go and practice, just like you never forget your mother, never forget VAT. So be an active participant in the alumni network whatever the level possible, to try to contribute back. And like our deans has said, the ambassadors of VAT. And also keep that ethics, that is very important, professional ethics, that is what is very important. Because of you, no bad name should come to VAT. So with these 2-3 points, you should keep it in mind. I wish you all the best for your all future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I'd like to invite Helen Shanti ma'am to share a few words. Helen Shanti ma'am, are you there?
I think ma'am have left the meeting.
Okay, sir. Then the Elemental ma'am, are you there, ma'am?
Yes, I am here, pa. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening to everyone. I'm very happy to see you all back again, both our BTech and MTech structural engineering students, because after a long time we are meeting, and it's a nice platform which has been created by our Dean and Arun Kumar, and I'm very glad to participate in this function. And usually we'll be celebrating our farewell function in our college in a grand manner. I think you missed that function. But anyway, this is also very nice because we can all share our views and thoughts. And many of you are placed, and many of you would have gone for higher higher studies, and many of you are waiting for jobs to join, because in this pandemic period it will be very difficult. But don't worry about all those things, whether you are in a job or not in a job, or you are going into whatever you are doing and wherever you are. Be happy. Okay, we should be happy. And if we are happy, others will also be happy. And you all, this is what you learn from VAT. Okay, because in VAT, you had the feeling of like parents, we were guiding you, and you are all like our kids, and we have given lot of advice and other things, and also we have given you all our that is ideas and views, and that will help you for your future career. So please don't worry about anything that has happened and that is going to happen also. But I want everyone to smile always and be happy. Okay, so that's what with this I congratulate each and everyone who have been the part of VAT, and also I wish you all the best for your bright future. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Now the floor is open for all the faculties.
If there's any faculty who would like to speak to the students, we invite them.
Anjali ma'am, you can share few words.
Ragashri, yes, I was about to say. Ragashri and Giri, you have put us in a difficult position when you ask everybody to talk, because all of us would want to talk to our batch, our 16 BCL as well as the MTech structural students. So more than MTech structural students, we personally are more close to 16 BCL students. But again, see, it's a mixed feeling here. I mean, we are very happy that you have graduated and you are going to your next phase of life. But at the same time, we are going to miss, for sure, even though the family is going to stay intact, we are going to miss meeting each other. So only one thing that we can do, or we can promise each other, that we will never move away from each other. We'll make sure that we'll meet each other at least virtually. We'll keep in touch through call and even messages. And whenever, see, this is something like, I think I can talk on behalf of all the faculties. Whenever you feel that you have an obstacle personally, professionally, or even if you feel that you are in a dilemma, feel free to talk to us. We may not be giving you a solution because you are matured enough, you are grown up enough to find a solution. But we will always be a good pair of, in the sense, a listener, a good pair of, an understanding foster parent, always. Okay, so feel free, never hesitate. You are not alone. As you all know, you are not alone in this world. We are a big family. Because current days, whatever we are hearing in the news and everything, depression is everywhere, right? But we VITians are not going to buck up like that. We VITians have a lot of strength within us. And so that's what I'm telling you. We as a family, let us be together always. Whenever you have a happiness, whenever you have a sadness, whenever you have anything, I mean, anything that you want to share, feel free that we are always here. We are waiting for you to talk to us. So recently, I'll say, I remember, I mean, I think you all remember Virender. I think you're senior. So suddenly we had to, I mean, we had opened Telegram for our Vita. So he all of a sudden he has messaged me. He was so happy that even at night at around 9:30 we were available for him. I mean, he could chat, and that kind of availability is being rendered to all of you. So we want all of you to please make sure that you continuously be in touch with us, and that is one main thing. And never forget your integrity. Never lose your uniqueness, your personality for anybody. That is something which will make you unique and which will make you stand out from the crowd. To be one among the crowd is easy, right? But you as a person, you have a talent and you have to stand out from the crowd. Only then people will realize that who you are and what is your exact potential. So nothing more to advise, because all of you know you are all professionals. You all know how to lead your life, because that is how you have led your life till date. And we pray from our bottom of our heart that everybody reach the maximum height as you wish, as well as the happiness grow more and more each year. So God bless all of you, and make sure that we keep in touch throughout. Take care, dears, and miss you all. Seriously miss you all. Thank you, sir. I'm done. Thank you, Giri.
Would any other faculty would like to speak to the students?
No.
Okay then.
I think, Giri, I told you, right? You're putting us in a difficult situation. Everybody wants to talk, but I think words are not coming out from us. Let's have an interactive session more.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Right now we have a token of love from the current final years that was made specially for the seniors. Sir?
Like it.
I'll share.
Okay, share it. Okay, sir.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir. So could you full screen?
Full screen.
Yes, sir.
Is it in full that?
Above.
You can just play it, sir.
It's fine, it's fine.
Okay, sir.
Without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Hey, nothing you can leave without saying goodbye.
I used to say I lived my life a quarter mile at a time. And I think that's why we were brothers. Because you did too.
Cheers to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain. When I believed in forever and everything would stay the same. Now my heart feels like December when somebody say your name. Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Hey. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Hey, hey. But everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say, hey. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the dreams bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back your memories bring back your.
This is not even part of the plan.
I remember when I never felt so lost, and I felt all of the hatred was too powerful to stop. And my heart feel like an ember, and it's lighting up the dark. I'll carry these torches for you, and you know I'll never drop. Yeah, everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. But everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say, hey. Cheers to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones that today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back your. Memories bring back your. Memories bring back your. Memories bring back your.
Thank you, sir.
I must thank Giri and Ragashri for making this video and dedicating it to all their seniors. Right? Yeah, carry on, Giri.
Okay, sir. And actually, we weren't the ones. There were actually some other juniors. We are not sure. I'm not sure of the member.
Sir, we were only ones who got the pictures. It was a combined effort by all the 17 DCL students and edited by Tejas. So it was a combined effort by all of us.
Okay, thank you for all those 17 BCL students.
Thank you, sir. And now we would like to invite the current final year students, the fourth year final year students, to share your cherished moments with our seniors.
Good evening, everyone. Respected faculty members, my dear seniors, and my dear colleagues and everyone. So today I was given this task of talking about seniors, like share your experience with how it was with your seniors. So when I got this task, all these events that happened in 4 years, it just came to my mind like a slideshow. I was so happy, and I was so happy that it was all a very good cherished moments, and I was sad at the same time that this is the only way I'm getting to interact with my final year, my dear, my seniors, like through this virtual option. But still, I was so happy that all those memories happened. It came in my mind actually. So I'll start from the beginning. So I was there in VIT Chennai. I started my college in VIT Chennai, but I never knew that VIT Chennai was a ragging-free campus. So I used to get calls from my other friends that my senior did this kind of ragging, they did that kind of ragging. I was crying, they made me cry, all those things. And I was like, oh my God, here it's not only Malayali, we have lots of people are also there. Like from Hindi, from South India, everyone is there. So I was worried actually, what if they rag me in Hindi? I don't know how to reply and everything. So all these kind of thoughts were there. But then I found out this one amazing thing that they are minding their own business. They didn't rag us or anything. So I was happy. Okay, so there is no ragging from our seniors. Good. But at the same time, I was sad because, oh my God, so they are minding their own business. That means they don't care enough. Like they are not that much, they are not going to be that much interactive. So all this made me kind of sad also. But then these technical events like Diceno, vibrance and everything happened. And that's when I realized how friendly these seniors are. They don't have that head weight that they are seniors, that we have to obey them or anything like that. They were so interactive. I want to mention some names: Krishna Didi, Vidushi Didi, Nikita Didi, everyone, Peter Bhaiya, and everyone was there. So that's when I got the first exposure with my seniors, and they taught me how to do marketing, registration, and everything, how to interact with other faculty members, who are the good faculty members, like how to do with everything they taught me. And it was seriously, I felt like, okay, so they care enough. They don't have any kind of head weight or anything. They're really, what do you say, they're really down to earth people where whom we can always approach actually. Then all those 3 years of technical events, design, I can say that I get very good exposure with my seniors. So and it was really good experience for me. Then also I want, and academic wise also, whenever I ask Vidushi Didi for assignments, she'll send me assignments, she'll help me with my works and everything. So I really want to say everything about that. So academic wise also, these seniors were very helpful. And one plus thing is about this campus is that we are able to study with along with the seniors. Like in some other campus, that's not there. Seniors have separate class, but here seniors are with us in our class, so we get to interact more. So that's one plus point what I found there. And also lab wise also, I was doing research in Sutram lab for 2 years, and all seniors passed out, like super seniors who have already passed out, like Aditi Didi and all, and the seniors, current seniors who just passed out, like Varna Didi, Pooja Didi, Kavya Didi, and Dinesh Bhaiya, Aman Bhaiya. If I'm sorry if I missed out any names, but all these people were so helpful, and that we had a real fun in lab. It was not like they were carrying their own work actually. They interacted with us, we had our fun, we laughed, we talked, everything. So all these experience made me realize that how good seniors we got here. It's not they are not dragging us or anything, and that doesn't mean that they are not interacting with us either. So the experience what I had from my seniors, it's very good experience, and I'm not missing out my Mallu seniors also. At the first day we met, and they made me very, they made me break the ice between students and the campus and the students actually. They really interacted with us, Abhirami Chechi, Shalu Chechi, Hatim Chatan and everyone. I don't know who all are there in this meeting, but all these people, they interacted with us. So when we hear some our mother language from other people, we feel like, okay, we are not somewhere, in an isolated place or somewhere. There are people with whom we can interact. So all this made me, realize what a good campus it was and how good seniors we got. So I really want to thank all my seniors who gave me good experiences, gave good memories, and who, who imparted their wisdom about the campus, college, faculty members, and everything. So I really want to thank them, and I really want to say that I'm missing all these seniors. We never got to get, like, only during that farewell we got to click some pictures, but a good farewell we couldn't give them. So I really want to thank all my seniors. Thank you.
Anybody else?
Hello.
Yes, Shivam, you're audible.
Yes, Shivam.
Yeah. So actually, I won't take much time because I'm really a social, not active person. But I will tell that I had many friends in seniors, like Peter Bhaiya was there for me always, from Dizino to ICI. Then Adil was there, Trishna was there, then Vidushi. And other, like Ankit was also there. These all people were always there for me. I don't talk too much with like um, a group of people, so they were there for me whenever I wanted to share my views and other things. And Peter and Adil were there to guide me with ICI, and still they message me like to do other things with ICI and experiment. So I'm really glad to meet them. And like Peter, at 3 o'clock also, sometime I message him about different things. He replies and tells me that okay, we will do this, we'll do that. And due to pandemic, we were not able to meet. But I'm glad that I met everyone. Thank you.
Wow, that was sweet.
Can I speak something on behalf of myself?
Yeah, go ahead, Tejas.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, we have always thought of VIT as a rat-free campus and very good senior-student interaction. But for me, it has all been a myth. The closest seniors I've got to have ragged me a lot. I mean, I don't want to disclose names over here, but many professors will know how. But it's fine. I mean, that is a but I have so many 16 BCL students whose name I don't want to disclose have taken very good care of me always in the lab, in the hostel, everywhere. Now, most of our senior-junior interaction in our college happens through big events like this and no and this techno. And I was very not a part of them. I was always see as a student, so I never got into the registration team and other stuff like that. So the few seniors I know from, I came to know them from 2 classes: ACT, Advanced Concrete Technology, and CMT. And I just came to know that most of the seniors hated me because I was being over smart in the class. I mean, I don't want to comment much about that, but okay, yeah, fine. And then slowly, I came to know more and more seniors. They came one night to my room, the one night before, and bhai, दे notes या कुछ भी दे दे, PPT दे, हमको कल pass होना है करके. And I got to know a few seniors like that. And the few other seniors I got to know are through my lab experiences and small class experiences here and there. I was never a big Biseno or other person. So as more and more college and other interaction happened, we connected more. Now branches like CAC and mechanical, the CAC, they come together through some hackathon events and stuff like that. Mechanical, they come together with the help of car teams. They have a lot of car teams through that. But as civil engineers, we connected through, well, I connected with my seniors with the help of my passed down IS code and notebook from them, them giving us tips on how to survive project reviews from the most toughest teachers in our branch. then they gave us tips on how to get our lab records done one night before itself. We did our experiments but never noted the values correctly.
Sir, relevation, sir, we need to write notes.
Please remember, finally, we have to graduate. Please don't.
Yeah. You need not to worry, Teja. Right?
Then
you go ahead.
One we connected the most is one place we connected the most is civil core placement and why it's so bad. One thing we connected the most civil course and why it's so bad. Civil placement juniors, our first interaction is like placement नहीं मिलेगा भाई, off placement कर लिया, gate के लिए तैयारी अभी से start कर ले, placement इधर नहीं मिलने वाला है. That was our starting line.
I'll answer Tejas for placement.
Sir,
at the end. You keep going.
Sir, please, sir.
Yeah. Go ahead.
But one thing is that what we talked about was how all civil engineers, no matter how much ragging they did to me, we're super close. In our other branches, the juniors had a lot of respect for seniors. Like it was like a fake respect. Like you could see that it was just not. It was artificial. But in what friends I have made, in civil, I think maybe because of the less number in our branches, we became super close. We were like brothers of siblings, not elder brother type. It was siblings relationship. What I had. So I would like to end by saying that professors help us with our academic ambitions and careers and guidance. They help us a lot, and especially our civil engineering faculties. Definitely, thank you very much, sir and madam. But there are other aspects in life which they can't help much, like hostel, how to make Maggie in hostel and all. Like we come 12th standard, how we know how to make Maggie in hostel? No, but in that also my civil engineers seniors, they didn't help us and all. And I'll be honest with you. But I made sure that I wasn't alone in any of the journeys. We learned things together, and they gave us their advice, and I had lots of fun with them. And Arun sir, my ragging list I'll give sir personally that you can please handle them, sir. I didn't like it like that.
Sure.
Yes, sir, and yes, sir. Thank you very, very much. I miss my seniors a lot. Definitely, I might not have interacted with you guys, but seeing you in the class, it was always like one Mallu gang used to be there, one Tamil gang, and then one Pawan Aman gang, and it was always nice to, it was nice. Thank you so much. Sir. It was lovely to have you around in our campus. It was, thank you so much.
Thank you, Tejas. Along with your grave, you have dug even ours.
Nice laugh.
Hello, everyone. Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you, Rishabh.
Rishabh,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can go on.
Yeah, so mostly I came here. It's only a year for me in VIT Chennai, but it has been an awesome experience for me throughout this a single year. Like interacting with my, actually I'm an MTech student, so I came last year only. So it's a very awesome experience for me. Like interacting, I didn't interact with my seniors much, but I had a very great interaction with my juniors, like the 16th BCL batch. Like I have many friends over there, literally like friends. We sit together, we gossip. Like I would like to say the name Aman also. Aman, like we are friends. We talk around as if we are friends. We are brothers. We talk around. We sit. We gossip. Even we go around for dinners, lunch when we were in hostel. So it has been a great experience. Like and I would say that seniors and juniors interaction, the interaction we have in our college, I really didn't have in my last means before that. So it is a very good experience for me. Thank you.
Now, anybody else?
Hello, this is
Hello.
Madhura.
Yeah.
I'm also from
Madhura, yes.
Spectrum. As Rishabh said, just it is being 1 year with VIT, and we have gained a lot of experience there. We have enjoyed the moments at VIT, like Techno VIT and Vibrance, etc. We are really missing the college now. With seniors, there was a little bit conversation with seniors who were there in the college, but with BTech students, with ICA members especially, we got connected through ICA members only with the BTech students. The experience was awesome. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to share my experience. Thank you.
Oh, well, thank you. I'm also enthusiastic to tell some things about my seniors. When I was one of the scared children who entered the college, and the first person that I met was a senior who was in Soumya Didi. I told her, Didi, kya karna hai? Kaise, how am I supposed to go forward? Kya karu main? Then she was one night she was like, come with me. She took me to the 10th floor. She knocked the room, and then I see Vidushi Didi over there. Then she's like, she's the boss of civil engineering. Talk to her. And Vidushi Didi telling me, "Nahi, should not get worried. You'll go. It is nice. Don't fight with anybody. Be a good child. Do your work properly and all that." And I realize now that how useful your advices were then. Then when I came to second year, and my German classes, I remember having Ishan Bhaiya with me. I never knew he was a senior. Then he suddenly told me, "I'm a senior, you know, no?" I'm like, "Huh, right." Helping me with all German notes to sending me all codes, whatever steel tables, whatever was required, anything that I required. IS 456, everything 1 day before the exam. Lilo, take it, karke. You don't forget it tomorrow, and all that. And then the third thing that I vividly remember is ICI. I was not part of ICI. I was never part of ICI. And then one day I was having tea with Peter, and Peter calls me, "You'll be the next vice president." I'm like, oh, what? And then that's how ICI began. So Peter, Adil, I was very scared of Adil always. So Adil, then Krishna Didi, you've been the Triputi, somebody I could always look up to. And finally comes my lab, environmental engineering lab. I can't begin from where I can't actually begin and pinpoint one memory that I want to talk about. From having that one Friday to clean the lab, to investigating whose dye was in the sink, to soil the sink and catching them. Tomorrow you're not going to throw the dye over here. And becoming private investigators, finding out who was Bala sir's private assistant, was reporting what all was happening in the lab. Then having Dinesh Bhaiya for teasing me. Plus, he was the first person. Whenever I needed to go to the wastewater treatment plant, he would be the first person. I'll come. From looking for cans and finding out whose can, what to do, and from everything. I can't begin, from tea breaks to, I don't know, so much of memories. And I know you all will be missed so much. But then I know we all will be together because of the social media and all that. Now the world has become small. But then even after that, you will be missed a lot. Now, I would like to request our seniors to, share their experiences, how they felt in the college.
Yeah, good evening. Am I audible to you?
Yes.
Yes,
Kiran.
Yeah, good evening, all of you. To those who don't know me personally, I'm Zachariah Kiran Varghese. I did my BTech currently and just passed out right now, the BTech batch. So I am currently doing my master's in construction management and engineering from TU Delft, Netherlands. So all this journey throughout these 4 years could feel like a fantasy. I still remember the first day I reached my VIT and walking to Anjali ma'am's cabin. And I was like a little child who doesn't know the system, the current curriculum and anything about VIT. And from there till the last day of my VIT day, there was all the faculties. As we are lucky enough that we don't have much students and a bunch of teachers, we went all close to all the faculties. And today I'm here in this university just because of these teachers, and especially Arun sir. I just walk into his cabinet, just in a while I will say, sir, I need this, I need that, and yes dear, I will do it today itself. I'll bring it today itself. You can just come in evening and I'll do it for you. He might be in lots of stuff going through his head and with the classes and all the responsibilities of the program chair. And to all the faculties, especially Mohan sir, who guided me throughout these 4 years and acted as my proctor, and to all those memories and all the faculties, and their help was so immense. And we all know that we might have at least got a single rejection or for our projects or assignments at least once from at least one faculty. But we were always lucky enough that we didn't get to know for any of our needs or any of our academic needs or any other personal needs from them. So we are always lucky enough, actually. And to all those memories with the IVs, as we were 16 BCL was around only 80 students, and we were lucky enough to go with the whole batch. Sorry. We were lucky enough to go with all the student members and the faculty members were took the initiative or took the dare. The faculty members always took the initiative or daring attempt to treat us with from the food streets. So and actually Mohan sir during the birthdays or any other personal moments, they were always shared us with that. And to all my batchmates, we always had a different vast community from different parts of India. And personally, I was not fluent in Hindi, and I used to quarrel with this. Not quarrel, actually, we used to debate with, especially Vidushi, that she would speak to me in Hindi, and I would reply to her in Malayalam. And we both don't know and understand anything, and still we used to talk a lot of time. And she used to get pissed at me. And to all the juniors, as all of juniors told, we had a great time sharing our same classrooms with all of them with the same course. And only in the first years, we'll be having this different classrooms for it. And after that, we'll be all close enough to mingle with each other. So those were the best memories I could gather from these all 4 years, and I could always gather a bunch of good friends from our batch and even from juniors and from MTech actually, from the 18 pass out batch. So I would like to thank all the VIT staff, members, teachers, and friends for this great initiative to conduct all these farewell in this great and difficult position. Thank you.
Yeah. Hello. Hi. I'm Adil. I'm Adil Philip, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk about my experience at VIT Chennai. I'd like to start with saying VIT Chennai as an institution was a great opportunity for me to study civil engineering and use its facilities and its infrastructure. And as Sabumon sir said, but VIT Chennai is not just academics. You have the other half of it, the people you meet there. There were people from all over India, and I met so many people, and I like to share their culture, their experiences, and some things which I'm fond of. I would actually share it on to them. Like, for example, I'm wearing a Talaivar T-shirt. Right now, there are many North Indians who are big fans of Talaivar. So stuff like that. And also, like Anjali ma'am said, VIT can make you tough. So after studying for 4 years, we can say that whenever we face a difficult situation, or whenever we are in a hard spot, you can always remind yourself that you have been through VIT Chennai. For example, if you go to an interview, you can always, just like right before going into the interview, the juniors, please take note. If you're just going to an interview, just think of all the project reviews and vivas you have been through. Man, if you can pass those courses, you can, overcome anything in your life. So, and a special mention to my juniors. Thank you for the video. If your objective was to make us emotional, congratulations, you did. Thank you. That was one nostalgia trip. And in general, we had fun juniors, and I don't know why. In general, people were scared of me. Who said that? Okay. So
Everyone said that.
Raga, yeah.
No, I mean, I'm
Exactly. So
justified to be scared a little bit at least.
We respect you, and we are not scared of you.
Shivam will say that.
Okay, you're managing it right now. Okay. Anyway, thank you, Raga and Shivam. You guys were very helpful. You guys were sweet juniors who took over our club. And in our batch, we had different avenues to, pass time. There were design, technovit, and the various civil technical clubs. Then I'd like to thank my proctor, Mohan sir. So you always help me whenever I needed help. In sense, we could always count on you. So that is the case for every other proctors over there. They're very helpful. I like this. I like that system. And when one faculty is actually in charge of you, so that you're safe. You can always count on someone. And also my faculty members who guided me, and for your classes and all the fun we had, all the IVs, all the lectures, all the lab components. Thank you so much. That was indeed a wonderful experience. And last but not the least, my fellow batchmates, 16 BCL, without whom these 4 years would be a very boring tale. I would have nothing to share. Starting from my hostel, so I remember in our first year in B block, we had the whole 3rd floor for ourselves. So we can just freely just walk into anyone's room and you just chill there. So thank you so much, and see you in future. Good luck for your future, and please keep in touch. Thank you.
Thank you, Adil. Is there anyone else?
Amay Bhaiya, would you like to talk?
Hello, I am Amir. You're talking about me, right? There's only one
Yeah,
Amir,
yeah.
right? Just wanted to confirm. Anyway, I'm actually quite, stuck up in the thinking about all the all the 4 years went, all the late night studies going to Irshad's room. We used to go to Irshad's room for notes and calling everyone, okay, bhai, ho gaya kya, pad ke ho gaya kya, can you teach me? And before the exam, everyone like, okay, it's a CAT 2 exam is here. We are all done. We are going to fail this exam. Especially some of the subjects were like design of steel structures and all that. They were all the IS codes one. And after that, I love the field trips with all the teachers that I took with Anjali ma'am. It was a very good field trip because Anjali ma'am is very good at communicating with students, and it always felt like, okay, we can talk to her and tell her what our fear is. She helped me with my statement of purpose, and she knew me better than I knew myself. Her letter of recommendation, everything. Letter of recommendation, Arun sirs, Muthumani sirs, Ramesh sirs, all these letter of recommendation got me where I wanted to go. All these supports from such fabulous teachers are all because of that I am here right now. So, and whenever I wanted any help, Arun sir would just do his best to make time and help us out. I needed some documents just before the application date for the university, and he just did it very quickly. I didn't expect for it to happen that quickly. That was very helpful. Then the support from Ramesh sir. And one of the major things that I miss is when we are walking around in campus or in the academic block. You always see the teachers and we just wave and smile. That's some of the best moments I had because you feel very close to your teachers by that. They are very happy. I am also happy because there's some sort of connection. That's the thing I'm going to miss a lot. Thanks. And obviously my friends. How can I forget that? Without them, this wouldn't have been a great P-Tech bachelor's or anything like that. Thanks a lot.
Is there anyone else?
Yeah, I think I want to share something. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, Peter, go on.
Yeah, so first of all, I want to thank Arun Kumar sir and Muthumani sir for helping us out organize this thing. It's been amazing and it takes us back down the memory lane. So to start off with, I really want to thank Arun Kumar sir because even when I was applying for colleges, sir amazingly helped me get all the documents on time, and whenever I was down, also little off mood, I used to call sir and I used to text him. So we became, and sir used to address his students as bro. So it made us feel more emotionally attached to sir. He was so chill, and also I would, when it comes to classes and all, I would connect more with Anjali ma'am because she understood me. One thing about Anjali ma'am is I remember walking in because one thing in VIT is I never had my physical person attendance above 75. The only thing I had above 75 was my GPA, and I'm happy about it. So Anjali ma'am understood me well. She brought out the best in me, and I'm really thankful, ma'am, for all your love, all your support through Dizeno, and through all the scolding, through all the hard times. It brought out the best in us, and it brought out not only the best in me, brought out the best in all of us. And moving on, Mohan sir, who's my proctor, who's been very great help for me this past 4 years. Thank you so much, sir. And when it comes to ICI, I want to thank Vasudevi ma'am because of her, she just one day randomly comes and tells Peter, we have to start this club, and you are the president. And I was like, okay, ma'am. Then she was like, you make your own team all of a sudden. Then the first person to call was Adil and Krishna. Then best thing about Adil and Krishna, they were an amazing group to work with, and I had one of the best times of my life working with ICI. And in a blink of an eye, they both responded, huh, because it's civil engineering. Because Adil was focusing more on his studies at that time. He didn't want to participate in anything. But when it came to civil, we all wanted to do something special for civil. We didn't have the mind, we didn't have the right knowledge to start from where, but with a small group which we started in and all my batchmates pitching in at that time, we had an amazing start. And we couldn't do much, but we are happy that our juniors are able to follow up and they are willing to explore more and expand the whole Indian Concrete Institute. And the three juniors who I would like to mention are Shivam, Giri, and Raga, who have been instrumental in ICI. I thank you guys so much. I have a lot to talk about them and a lot to talk about college, but I will not. I am just very grateful for this opportunity. I thank Senthil Pandian sir, and who has been very instrumental in my brought up in college, because since my first year, Senthil Pandian sir has been with me as a mentor, because he's always been scolding me since my first, because I feel very close to sir in the lab also, and I am known for my careless mistakes. So Senthil Pandian sir has helped me in that a lot. So, and when it comes to asking notes, Vidushi in the library, Dinesh, we all used to go study in the library, asking Varna, Kavya, Pooja, and even Raga. So, being a junior, I used to shamelessly ask Raga Sri for notes. So, I thank you, all of you. And when it comes to my final year project, I really thank Muthumani sir. Sir has a brain which only I can look up to. It's like looking up to God himself, because the way he used to explain with so much enthusiasm, with so much, he used to be so chill. He'll come, he'll sit nicely on his chair, he'll talk like how he's talking to us friends. So I thank you so much, sir. It's been an amazing. The results weren't so expected, but I'm still grateful to be all your students. And I thank you again, my batch. I've been a part of 10 clubs.
Peter, thank you so much. You're great, Peter.
I would also like to say something. Muthumani sir, I just want to be as good as an engineer as Muthumani sir. He is the one who has inspired me for masters. And
Thank you.
Arun Kumar sir was my support from the first year, and Muthumani sir just gave me the push. And I just look up to him. I want to be how good he is in my future.
Yes. The final machine is Muthumani sir at the end, who actually made college ending perfect for us. And we look up to sir always. We look up to Anjali ma'am, look up to Gautam Sarang sir. Gautam Sarang sir, whenever I see him in college, he used to ask me, how are you? Have you eaten? Or something or the other. That chill environment, the chill time I had with sir, because sir also was staying in the hostel. He treated me like a student, and he expected us to treat him like a fellow student as well. So I enjoyed every moment there also. So I thank you all for such wonderful memories, and I hope to see you all online, virtually. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Peter.
I will go next if no one is speaking.
You can go ahead.
So, good evening, teachers, faculties, everyone. So basically, thank you all for arranging this, because we really needed this in this pandemic situation, and we are really having a lot of fun right now in this video call. So first of all, I would like to thank everyone right now, every faculty present in this call or isn't present in this call, for molding personally me as a person and shaping my entire life. VIT has taught me so many things that I don't feel like I would have learned those things outside this college. All my juniors, all my seniors, in fact, all of them have loved me and taken care of me, and also taught me so many things. And I would like to thank my faculties. Anjali ma'am, we love you, we miss you. Ma'am, any problem, we will still contact you only, and you'll have to deal with it. Ma'am, this is this thing. Gautam sir, you were so amazing and so sweet and so helpful. So I still remember there was an exam and I came running to your cabin, because it was in the AB2 block, and I came running to your cabin because I wanted an earphone. So and the only faculty I remembered in AB2 was Gautam Sarang sir. So I came running to that thing. So Arun sir, you're not on the video, your camera is not on, but sir, thank you for everything. Thank you for always giving me permissions for attending any event that I wanted and not asking a question. Mohan sir, thank you for signing all my outgoing receipts. Thank you for being the amazing proctor that you were to us. Thank you all. And juniors, Sneha, Ragashri, Shivam, thank you all.
Wow. Anybody else? So overwhelmed right now.
Is there anyone else? There's a lot of people who are chatting. If you want, you can talk here. Is there anyone else who like to talk?
There is so much to talk. This meeting is actually too less. 1 hour is way too less to talk about all of it.
Vidushi, what happened to your hair? Sorry. I couldn't. What happened?
Ma'am, I was willing to transit from one phase to another, and this lockdown was too much a headache, so I just shaved my head a little bit. I got some peace.
Yeah, it's not only you. Many of us have shaved the head.
That's why you're not coming on video.
No, that is one of the reasons.
And some of us have actually seen it, ma'am.
Oh, okay. That suspense still for us. I think Vidushi was continuing to talk something. Sorry, dear, I interrupted you.
Yes. Yeah.
Ma'am, compiling VIT for 2 or 3 minutes is not possible. It is hell lot of experience, hell lot of learning from all of you, from my fellow mates, the juniors also. Today I realized how important juniors are for a farewell. I literally had some tears because I could not remember a time when I felt something very huge for my juniors, but now I regret I could have had a better connection with them. And then friends are always there. I'm never gonna miss my friends because they are there. The teachers, the faculty. Anjali ma'am, you are the one of the most loved person among the faculties I have felt. Not because of what you taught and how you taught, but because how you tried to understand each of us. In the class also, from our facial expressions, from the notes, from the handwriting itself. So this is something I felt really thankful to. And then I had come across so many senior teachers like Muthumani sir, and they also taught us so humbly that we never felt that we are way too younger to them to ask stupid doubts. But then they would explain each and everything from the scratch again and again. So all these small memories, these experiences are never gonna summed up in an hour of meeting. I hope we get to see each other pretty often like this and speak. So talking to all of you is a bliss to us. Thank you all my juniors, Arun Kumar sir, for arranging all of it. Thank you so much, sir.
I think this was quite overwhelming. I would like to call Suhas also. Suhas is also wants to interact with us.
Ragashri, I think Suhas has left. He messaged me that he has poor connection. We can proceed.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. If you're done, then right now I'd like to call the HOD of School of Civil Engineering, Dr. Arun Kumar sir, to address the gathering.
Yeah, thank you. But a few of the students, many of the students have requested Ramesh Kannan sir and Shanmugam sir to share their experiences. If they are
And Mohan sir as well.
Yeah, Mohan
And
sir
Gautam
as well.
sir and Mohan sir.
Yeah, Gautam sir and Mohan sir. Sir, could you please talk to them because they are requesting? I think this will be the final request from them, and we cannot deny it. So, can you unmute and speak, sir?
Yeah.
Starting
Hello,
with
sir. I'm
yeah.
here. Can you hear?
Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Actually, I don't have any advices for them because they have taught me a lot. Then I taught them. The one thing we both had in common, 16 PCL and I had in common is we are both batchmates. I also entered in 2016, and they had traveled along with me a lot, and I remember all of them actually by name. The thing is, all the best for their future, and keep in touch. And always going to miss you, but still, this is a virtual world and we will have contact through it. Thank you all and all the best. Bye.
On, sir?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Hi to everyone. Actually, this is a nice moment. Just I'm watching. So each and everybody. I think the maximum, if you look at my properties are talking. I'm really actually very happy. So the day one, I think I remember, and the one I think corner classrooms they are given for this property. So almost we are sharing each and everything, and the semester maybe that is started. Every time they come and asking maybe that up to the first semester, I think. Then after that, I have to call everyone. Most probably that few of them maybe that regularly will come and maybe that making this attendance all the thing. But I never bother about such kind of things. So most probably that my students are knows such kind of things. So I am well connected with this everyone by name. I think if you are asking this 84 people, maybe that 80 people. So each and everyone most probably that by name only I call normally. So I'm very happy to see everyone here, and most probably that we have done a lot of funs in the classroom itself. Most probably that the place maybe we can share that things also. Sometimes birthdays come, so then just if I come to know that, and immediately I call the person to something songs, maybe that dance. We close the door, and maybe that 5 to 10 minutes we'll go for that such kind of maybe fun, and we really actually that we make that fun. So maybe that everybody talking about maybe that sir sing some songs, maybe that right now it's not possible, maybe that I surrounded with some other people. Okay, I'm surely I will make it some property meeting, and also I can sing some songs for you people. Okay, I miss you, really miss you all the people. Thanks. Bye.
Thank
you, sir.
Ramesh Kannan, sir, if you are online,
We would like
please.
to call.
Hello. This is Madhura.
Yeah.
I'm also from
Madhura, yes.
Tech Sector. As Rishabh said, just it is being 1 year with VIT, and we have gained a lot of experience there. We have enjoyed the moment at VIT, like Techno VIT and Vibrance, etc. We are really missing the college now. With seniors, there was a little bit conversation with seniors who were there in the college, but with BTech students,
Giri, go ahead.
Okay, sir. And now we
I
have
think-
Swati Maurya, fourth year. What, sir?
I think Ramesh Kannan, sir, is not online. Anyway, we'll have another meeting later on in the future. Okay.
Sir, Gautam sir is
Yeah.
also there.
Yes, Gautam sir and sir.
Yes, yes.
You can. Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Actually, like I didn't want to take much time. That's the reason I thought we will not talk anything, because we want to hear from you guys. Okay, from MTech and BTech guys only, not from our faculties. Actually, again, as Shanmuga sir told, like you, I mean, I am just junior to you because I joined after you joined VIT. And again, in my first semester itself, I was handling a subject for many of the students, and that was nothing but fluid mechanics. It was a maybe very toughest course for many of the students. So somehow, like, I mean, maybe I can say that we could complete successfully. I mean, we all could complete successfully. And again, later also, I had, I mean, maybe I had personally interacted with almost everyone, like in my classes or in any other ways. And in the final year also, like when you guys were in the final year project, since I was a capstone coordinator, Okay, I had an interaction with you in many times, so it was a very nice time. So again, I don't want to advise you anything. Be good in your field. And another thing is, please don't forget your alma mater. Be in touch with your institute. Be in touch with your all faculty members. Be in touch with us. Of course, so your proctors. Okay, be in touch with your proctors. So whatever great things are happening in your life, you please inform your proctors, because we need the updates from you, obviously. Okay, so be in touch, and if you need any help, obviously we'll be always be there for you. Okay, you can always contact us. So that's all from my side, and thank you everyone. Okay, all the best for you.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, I like to talk, I think. Leveli, ma'am.
Arun Kumar sir, are you there, sir?
Yes, Giri.
Sir, you can start, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Finally, I got a time to speak to you all. Right. So, yeah, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Actually,
sir.
we were the first to conduct an online farewell meet, and we have been planning since June. By that time, we had Shivakumar sir as a dean, but we couldn't propose this. Then finally, we have a new dean, Dr. Muthummani sir. The moment I said, "Sir, shall we conduct online meeting?" without thinking for a second, he said yes. So I should thank Muthummani sir for getting us the permission or the approval from Provizi ma'am. So I officially, it's an official time to say goodbye to you all, but it's not a goodbye. It's one of the other way to share all your accomplishments and the dream and the aspiration you had earlier before joining VIT. Be it a 4 years program in BTech Civil Engineering or a 2-year degree program in MTech Structural Engineering. And this is a time where you're going to take up a new responsibility other than a student. So you'll be taking as a head financially or some support from as a family member. You could have an important role as an employee or as an employer, because few of you will have a plan to start up. Then you have a new role in higher studies, because I could see a few of the students are in Netherlands, and despite having their busy schedule in attending the classes for the masters, they spare the time to attend this. And as a citizen, you have a greater new responsibility too, right? And what are the achievements that you have done? So in the whole university, BTech Civil Engineering has the maximum percentage of pass percentage, 97%. But by the time of the convocation, it could increase to 100%. Yeah, and with respect to MTech Structural Engineering, it is 100% pass percentage. And when it comes to placement, because there is a common misunderstanding of the placement with civil engineering or core companies, right? Or with the civil engineering student in general. But out of the PAT registered students, so I cannot take that as a percentage. But with respect to the PAT registration, because the total strength was 79 and PAT has a majority of registration, but out of that, 29 students from 16 BCL and 5 students from 18 MST have already got placed. So if you could see the details, so these are the list of companies. You could see both core as well as the IT companies. And most of the companies in the IT sector also comes in dreams and super dream companies. It's not that civil engineering students are without placements or their jobs. And this year, there is a tremendous increase in the higher studies. particularly few of the students have got more than 2 or 3 offers. And all these universities are not just an university because it has a reputation in the worldwide, let it be a QS ranking or other ranking systems, right? So our students are, it's not only with this year, every year since 2011 till this year, our students are pursuing their masters in top most reputed university in the world. So that is one of a flower or heights that we have already achieved, and in the near future or in the next batch or every year we could see the students getting masters and PhD in these top reputed universities. And on the other hand, when it comes to the final year project, be it a capstone project from BCL or 10 months master thesis project from MST, we could see the percentage of increase of the students doing projects in the company is increasing. And there are many students who have got placed through the internship, but I do not have the data to share it. And every year there is also an increase in writing the exams, competitive exams like GATE, ANSET, GRE, TOEFL, and IELTS. And my message as an HOD is, whatever you are, be responsible for whatever you do, be it in life or be it in career. And be grateful for what you are, and show gratitude to everyone and everything in life. That is one thing that is missing in most of us, even with me, because we get depressed sometimes, we get annoyed, and we sometimes we lose our mind and we are not feeling gratitude. And pandemic is the one of the time that taught us how to be grateful to whatever we have got. And the third thing is inspire yourself, because that is the one thing which keeps you leading your life, be it the toughest time or be the happy moment, right? And it's not about inspiring yourself, and you should also inspire others, because you will have a responsibility as a family member. You could take up an important role in the project as a project manager or a graduate engineer trainee. So inspire them too, because everyone need a little push to reach their goals. And help yourself and help others. So at the end of the day, when you go to the bed, that's what keeps your mind calm and your life happy. And be the real you, and let it be humble. Even if you are so damn good in something, help others and show whatever you are to others. And be brave, fearless, and optimistic to face things, because you will have ups and downs in life in every day. And finally, you have to stand tall and be bold for the right things. Don't give up things, even if it is in your control. Don't give up on things. And be the type of person you want to meet. So this is the screenshot. I have it in my mobile. And last, be the change you wish to see in the world. So whatever the change you wish to see, you have to be the first change. And this is as an HOD, but I got a small note to read it out. You all came here as seeds. You have been nurtured with interesting or sometimes boring or raining lectures, firing project reviews, the same lab experiments, and hardship term and examination or a CAT examination. It's been 4 wonderful years that are passed like a passing clouds, with lots of memories, including finding the true lifelong friends and teachers who motivated and inspired you in many ways. So this is the farewell time to say goodbye to you, and also welcoming a new chapter called life. In life, no one can advise you or no one can suggest what to do and what not to do. But you will learn a lot while traveling in life. Keep one thing in life: never miss your life running for achievements or running after achievements. Living your life with good health, caring your parents and loved ones, finally helping the society and the country in need. This is a lot more than achievement. Live the life the way you want to live and build a sustainable nation. Because now the whole world is thinking about sustainable nation. And even when you talk about relationship, you are talking about sustainable relationship. Right? Life is beautiful only if you think it is. You have been beautifully taken care of in these 4 wonderful years. Now you have got the wings called graduation, so you can fly to a greater height. It's not that how and where you fly matters. It matters how you feel and how you make others feel. Focus on your physiology, psychology, mindfulness, and pay back to the society. That's the nature. Nature is in the one way or the other. Lead a beautiful life in your own terms. Best of grace. Thank you. Over to you, Giri.
Thank you.
Giri, just a moment.
Thank you very much.
Giri, just a moment.
Yes, ma'am.
Information to be passed to all. If you have put in charts also, please do not mail back to Ilavenil. The center named Ilavenil Solayan. It is not our Ilavenil, ma'am. Okay, please do not send any messages. Something is happening. We do not know. Kindly refrain.
And also kindly don't take that messages into consideration because that was not sent by 11
logged out from the meeting
before 45 minutes. No, she told that before 45 minutes, like 7:45 she had logged out.
Yeah. So kindly do not take her messages after 7:45. Yes, Giri, you can continue.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Arun Kumar sir, can you please remove the participant?
Remove who?
There's someone under ma'am's name, sir. Can you just remove that person?
Yeah.
Giri, that person has already left.
Yeah, I think it's left. There is no
Okay,
name
fine.
with. Yeah, you can carry.
So
on.
again join.
Yes.
Thing.
That's
Again join.
again
Just-
join.
Yeah. Someone is playing most of it.
Sir, removed, sir, removed.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, thank you. And right now to end the event, we have Swati Moya, a fourth year BTech student, to present a song to us. Swati can start.
Thank you, Giri. A very good evening to everybody present here, the teachers, our seniors, and my friends from my batch. I've been listening to everybody speak about their memories, and then I came to a realization that, like my batch, we were also kind of robbed from the 7th semester, the 8th semester, and we could have been in the college, been enjoying a lot of things and being studying with our professors and everything. But it's okay. I think we can make the best out of whatever that's available. I was initially going to sing Memories by Maroon 5, but that song was already played in the video that was made for you guys. So I've changed my song. It's called Fix You by Coldplay, and I hope you guys like it. Is the guitar audible? Am I audible? Is it fine? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse, and the tears come streaming down your face, when you lose something you can't replace, when you love someone but it goes away, could it be worse? And lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. High up above or down below, when you're too in love to let it go, But if you never try, you'll never know just what you are. Lights will go home and ignite. We'll try. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
Actually,
so
I just
much,
called her
Swati.
before the meeting and she immediately said yes and she performed well. Thank you.
And this was my first time singing in a video
Yeah.
call, and I was very nervous about the mic setup and everything.
Very good, very good.
Yeah, many of you have asked for the video record. I'll share it in the. I'll share it to you all after the meeting. Yes, Giri, go ahead.
Thank you so much, Swati. And now it's my immense pleasure to propose the vote of thanks for the day. I would like to start by thanking our beloved Chancellor, Dr. G. Vishwanathan, and then our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Anand Samuel, our Pro VC, Dr. Kanchana Bhaskaran, our VP, Dr. Shekhar Vishwanathan, our Executive Director, Dr. Sandhya Pentareddy, and Dean and faculty members of School of Civil Engineering, and finally, my lovable batchmates and our beloved seniors. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. That's the end. It's not the end, but please be connected through alumni and stay connected. And luckily, fortunately, we have alumni coordinator, Dr. Anjali ma'am, right? We'll be meeting you as in the alma mater, right? Shortly, maybe after 6 months, right? We wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Any words from anyone else?
So it should be us who should be thanking all of you, and I am not doing much, but then I'm thanking you on behalf of all the 16 BCL guys, that it was amazing 1.5 hours with you. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you, Vidushi.
We miss all of you. Seriously.
Yeah, we'll miss you.
God bless you.
Yeah, God bless you.
And those of you who want the video, we'll be sharing it. We'll send it to Arun Kumar sir.